Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course. Syllabus topic E1 number. In this video, we'll be covering module 1.2, which is about sets, and we are doing part 3, and we're going to solve exercise 1 of chapter number 8. And as you know, this is the book we are referring to. It's a complete mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE extended syllabus written by David Rayner. Okay, so let's start exercise 1 of chapter number 8. In question number 1, it says, in the Venn diagram, universal set equals to people in hotel. As you can see, it's a big rectangle that is representing the universal set, and these crosses representing the people in this hotel. It's a universal set. And then it says another set T equals to people who like toast. So you can see this circle, this is the set representing people who like toast, T for toast, and then E it says people who like eggs, and this circle with the E, it is representing the people who like eggs. And then part A, it says how many people like toast. So guys, you just have to look in this circle of T, and it says how many people like toast. So no matter either it is either some crosses have some common in E as well, but you just strictly look in this circle T. So how many crosses got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it means that people who like toast are 8. Then in part B, it says how many people like eggs but not toast, right? But not toast. It means that you're looking only for the people who like eggs. So only for the eggs, you'll take these 3 crosses, because if you take these 4, they like the toast as well, because these four crosses, or these 4 people also in T as well. So you only looking for the purely E. So these 3 crosses are for the, so the answer is 3. Right, so in then C part it says how many people like toast and eggs. So it means that he's asking for the common, intersection of egg and toast. So this is the area which is intersecting or common between E and T. So 1 2 3 4, it means that 4 people like eggs and toast. Then in part D, it says how many people are in hotel. Now, see guys, he's asking for the universal set, because this universal set, this rectangle is representing the people in hotel. So just count all these crosses representing people. So you come across 18 altogether. It means there are total 18 people in hotel. Then in part D, E, in the last part E, it says how many people like neither toast nor eggs. Now see, he's asking you that how many people like neither eggs nor toast. It means you have to uh, ignore the circle of E and the T as well. It means it's asking outside E and T, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So in question number 2, it says in the Venn diagram, uh, epsilon or universal set, it says boys are in year 10, means that this rectangle represents the universal set, and these are the boys in year 10 altogether. And then set R, it says member of the rugby team, so means that this circle R representing the boys in the rugby team. And C equals to members of the cricket team, means this circle representing the boys in the cricket team. It means that these 4 are only playing rugby, these 5 playing rugby as well as cricket, and these 2 playing cricket only, and these are 20 which are playing neither of rugby nor cricket. So part A says how many are in the rugby team. So means that you have to look for the circle R, and you have to add this 4 and 5, because it's just saying how many are in the rugby team. So it means there are 9 altogether in the rugby team. In part B, it says how many are in the both teams. Now he used the word both. It means the common, it means the intersection of R and C, which is 5. It means that 5 boys are playing cricket and rugby. In part C, it says how many are in the rugby team but not in the cricket team. It means that he is purely asking you to tell the number of boys in rugby. So see, this is the number 4. These are the boys. 4 boys are playing only rugby. In total, rugby playing 9, but 5 of them are also playing cricket. So you're only looking for the boys who are playing rugby alone. So this is 4. And then part D, it says how many are in neither team. Means that you have to look outside these two circles, which is 20. It means 20 are playing neither cricket nor rugby. And then in the last part it says how many are there in year 10. It means that he's asking for the full universal set, which is E. It means that you have to add all these numbers, 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 20, which makes 31. So in question number 5 it says in the Venn diagram universal set equals to children in a mixed school. So you can see a rectangle here, it representing a mixed school, mean in this school you have boys and girls. Then in G side it says girls in the school, so you can see that circle G representing the girls in the school. Then S, children who can swim, so you can see a circle S, the children who can swim. And then L, children who are left-handed. Then another circle representing the children who are left-handed, mean who can write with the left-handed. Now this is a very interesting question. If you understand and if you do this question number 5, question number 3 and 4 will be very easy for you. In A part it says how many left-handed children are there. So it means that you just have to look in the circle of left-handed. There is no other condition, only left-handed children. So you just need to add all the children in this circle of L. So it means that 70 plus 30, 100, 100 plus 10 plus 10, it means 120 there are who are left-handed children. In part B it says how many girls cannot swim. Now he's asking about the girls who cannot swim. It means that you just have to look in the circle of G, these all the girls, and he's looking at cannot swim, and you just have to avoid those intersections who are intersecting with the S. So it means that you have to avoid this 410 and you have to add rest of these 50 and 70, because these 50 and 70 are not sharing or intersecting with the circle S, with the swim circle. It means these are the girls who cannot swim. So it means that 50 plus 70, it makes 120. In part C it says how many boys can swim. Now this is a very interesting situation. There is no circle for the boys. It means that all these 460, 30 and 10, these are the boys, right? Because these three children are not in the girls circle. It means these are the boys. And then it's asking how many boys can swim. So you just need to add 460 and 30. It means that makes 490. These are the boys, because look, this 10, I mean these are the boys, but they cannot swim because this 10 is not in the S circle. It means that 460 plus 30, 490 is the answer. In part D it says how many girls are left-handed. It means that once again you have to see in the circle of G, which is of girls, and you have to look who are left-handed. It means that you are looking for the intersection of girls and L, means G and L with the left-handed. So intersection is 10 and 70. So if you add 10 and 70, that makes 80. Then in part E says how many boys are left-handed. Once again, as we have discussed, we have seen the boys are, these are three boys, 460, 30 and 10, and we are looking for the boys who are left-handed. It means that what you have to do, you have to add these two, because these two, 30 and 10, are in the circle of L. So 30 plus 10 makes 40. So 40 boys are left-handed. In part F it says how many left-handed girls can swim. So once again, now he's asking for, in fact he is touching all three circles, left-handed one circle, girls one circle, swim another circle. So it means that he is looking the intersection of all these three circles, and this is the 10. See, this 10 is in S, yes it is in S. This 10 is in G, yes it is in G. This 10 is in L, yes it's in L as well. So it means that this 10 is the intersection of all these three, and it has the characteristic that these 10 are the girls, these 10 can swim, and these 10 are left-handed as well. So the answer is 10. In the last part, which is G part, it says how many boys are there in the school. So it's a very dead simple question. We have already sorted this out. The boys are 460 plus 30 plus 10. So it means 460 plus 34, 94, 90 plus 10 makes 500. So it means there are total 500 boys in the mixed school. In the next video, we will solve exercise 2 of chapter number 8. So see you there.